Welcome to your Amazon seller journey. Setting up your Amazon seller account is quick and easy. First, tell us where you're based and choose your store type. Please have your legal documents ready. Check our help pages if needed. Next, enter your business name and address exactly as shown on your license. For individual accounts, enter your name and details as shown on your legal documents. Then, provide the primary contact details for the company owner. For business sellers, if you are a legal representative, you will be required to upload a power of attorney document at a later step. For payment, add your billing details. Or you can skip this step for now. Now, create your store name. This is what customers will see. To verify your details, upload your government ID, a recent utility bill, or bank statement. For business accounts, type Add your business license. Legal representatives include the power of attorney with the same business license document. Finally, choose a quick verification method, instant verification with photos, or a simple video recording. Make sure to have a good camera for clear verification. Once submitted, our team will review your details. That's it, you're ready to sell on Amazon. Need help? Our support team is here for you. Let's get started.